Ohlaziya ipolitiki uthi ubona ngathi akekho umuntu okhonze uPresident Jacob Zuma njengoJulius Malema. Kanti nayo uNxamalala uyazi ukuthi the only guy one-potential yokuthatha the struggle of black oppressed people forward uJulius Malema mayingasekho yena. Ngamafuphi nje labantu bobabili both believe in each other.
I want to talk about Julius Malema, my brother that I love, who's got greatest potential to lead me in future. He's still young, still got more years behind him, and he's got wisdom, talent, and the energy required to mobilize black people and conscientize them. That's why I'm talking about him. Boyfriend, or whatever. I'm not talking about that Julius Malema you love. I'm talking about Julius Malema, the revolutionary. I want to say, between Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma, history will write that greatest opportunity was missed for the following reason. I'll point to the dichotomy, point to the tragedy that comes from a dichotomy, and also speak to unfortunate consequences that come from the tragedy of dichotomy. The dichotomy here is that I think there's no one in this world who admires Jacob Zuma like Julius Malema. That's my position. I think there's no one in this world who admires Jacob Zuma like Julius Malema. And I also think Zuma knows and feels it in his mind, his heart, his spirit. The only guy who had potential to take the struggle of black oppressed people forward when he's no more is Julius Malema. That's where the dichotomy is. Both these people, they believe in each other because they have seen each other, they have studied each other, and Zuma believes that Malema is the only capable person who can take the struggle forward. His potential is very strong to take forward the struggle when he's no more. And I think Julius Malema has really distinguished himself in terms of capability to do that. And likewise, or on the opposite side, Julius Malema, it is my very strong view that he admires Zuma more than all of us. But the tragedy of this is that Julius Malema, I hold this view, I strongly hold this view, based on my personality analysis, character trait analysis, and background analysis of Julius Malema. The tragedy of this is that Julius Malema was never raised by his father in a way that he will bond with fatherhood. And I know people who have gone through this, because myself I've gone through the same situation. We tend to want to be men that our fathers could not be. And in the process of that, we start to generally lack respect of men, particularly the senior males, because they've never role model good character and behavior in front of us. In fact, the wars we have, internalized wars we have with our fathers who didn't play their role, we pass it over to any other man who's posturing as a father in our lives. So it is my view that whatever wars Malema is waging against Jacob Zuma, he is actually either consciously or subconsciously waging those wars against his own background, which had a very bad experience of an absent father. If I'm wrong on this, it's okay, I accept it. But I put it to you that that's a tragedy which is happening. And the unfortunate consequence of this tragedy coming from the dichotomy itself is that as a result, Julius Malema could not accept some realities, positive realities that have surfaced about Jacob Zuma now. Part of those, the halabaloo around the Guptas, the mistake he made when he joined the Zuma Must Fall campaign, and for Floyd has managed to cross that river and say, listen, we were misled about this guy. We missed an opportunity to work with this guy and achieve what we are supposed to achieve. And Malema is struggling to cross that river and accept positive things. Even the revelations that the whole state capture report is just hogwash and there's nothing about it. It was complete waste. And there was unfair administration of justice by the powers of the time. He cannot, because he has not learned to idealize the male figure as a father because of his background. That is my view. I could be wrong, but that is my view. And the unfortunate consequence of that is that now the whole revolution is missing out a chance to see the best possible collaboration we could have seen from Julius Malema, who's having strong command of the youth in South Africa, and Jacob Zuma, who's having strong command of the senior revolutionaries, the true Pan-Africanists, the true radicals who really think sober around politics. That is unfortunate circumstance caused by the dichotomy which is linked to Malema upbringing, the tragedy of Malema being unable to accept some of positive things about Jacob Zuma and leverage on the opportunities that are presented through MK now to collaborate, leading to unfortunate consequences, which is delayed revolution of black oppressed. Nyayibamba la. Nina ke ithando sika Julius nemthanda njenge boyfriend yenu ningixolele. Khuluma ngoJulius, a revolutionary who's likely to lead me tomorrow.